Looking to add custom doors to your IKEA pack system? Here's a simple method to finding the hinge placement. First, figure out where you want the hinges by locating the consecutive pre-drill holes. I used a combination square to measure the top and bottom of the holes to help find the center. This will serve as your center line for the door hinges. Next, measure each line and then transfer that dimension onto your door. Be sure to notate the top and bottom as well as the left and right side of the door. I used the Craig jig set to 5 with the 1/16 and 3/16 inch bit, which is perfect for the IKEA. Now, the moment of truth using my test piece. It only took me 6 months to figure this out.